Hello students. Today I am going to talk about BCom students part 2 English. The main topic is preparation of agenda for conducting any type of meeting in any company. In the future, probably you might come across the highest responsibility of conducting a meeting as a chairman or as a deputy chairman in any company. So, for conducting that type of meeting, the most important thing is preparation of our agenda. What is an agenda? It is a well scheduled, time bound preparation for the execution for the development of company. First, the agenda copy should be sent to the members of the company. Next, some members may be out of station or sick. You may intimate them the exact venue, date, time, and place and the mode of transportation to the meeting concerned. Next, suppose some members are unable to attend the meeting, they could inform well in advance about their absence. Next, while conducting the meeting, first the chairman will review the previous meeting minutes and it will be signed by all, including the members. Then the present meeting agenda will be read out by the chairman and it will be seconded by the deputy chairman. Next, the first point, usually all the meeting would begin with the prayer. For example, what is the role of Indian economy in the global recession, especially during the coronavirus? So after the coronavirus, what are the steps to be taken to solve the company's problem? What is the strategy to be applied? How to enlarge and enhance the productivity of the company? These are the points to be pointed out in the agenda one by one. Then a chance will be given to each member to talk about his point of view. Some members may not be interested in conveying their point of view. In such case, they can send by note. So at the end of agenda, all the discussed points should be written down. It is called minutes of the meeting. It is the recorded form of the minutes. It is a legal document. It is very, very important. It is a legal document. If any problem arises in the future, the court will decide based on the documentary evidence. In such case, the minutes will be very helpful. So these are the basic methods of preparing agenda, conducting meeting and writing minutes. I hope you will all understand, and when you hear this audio message, you can go through the textbook also and it will be helpful to all of you. Thank you.